Have you ever wondered why swans mate for life? You're not alone. This is one of the most frequently asked questions about these beautiful birds, and the answer might surprise you. Hi, I'm here to answer the burning questions of the world. And today we're answering, why do swans mate for life? Now, there's a lot of misinformation out there, so we're going to set the record straight. There are 7 species of swan. 4 of them belong to the genus Cygnus, and 3 belong to the genus All 7 species are large, white or black and white, mostly aquatic birds with long necks and orange beaks. They're found in lakes and ponds in both the northern and southern hemispheres. Swans are well known for their grace and beauty, but they're also well known for mating for life. However, this isn't necessarily true. Despite what you may have heard or seen in movies, only 1 species of swan typically mates for life, and that's the mute swan. The other 6 species of swan don't necessarily mate for life. So why do mute swans mate for life? Well, the answer lies in their unique courtship ritual. It all begins when a male mute swan reaches sexual maturity at around 4 years old. He'll begin his search for a mate by swimming in a figure-8 motion and trumpeting loudly. This is a ritual called pairing. If a female is interested, she'll respond with a series of honks, and if the male is satisfied with her response, he'll be sure to let her know by, you guessed it, more trumpeting. Once the two have established that they're interested in each other, they'll engage in a little ritual of their own. The male will bow his head and move it from side to side, while the female watches intently. If she's still interested after this display, the pair will engage in a bit of foreplay before mating. The male will rub his beak along the back of the female's neck and head before attempting to mount her. If the female is ready to mate, she'll lower her tail feathers to expose her vent and allow the male to inseminate her. And that's how it all goes down with the mute swan. This elaborate courtship ritual is thought to ensure that the birds are compatible with each other before they actually mate. And it seems to work. Once a mute swan has found their one and only, they'll stay together for life. They'll spend their days swimming, eating, and preening together, and their nights sleeping with their heads tucked under each other's wings. These romantic birds are known for being incredibly loving and devoted to their partner. If one of them dies, the other will often mourn them for hours by the water's edge. So there you have it. The reason why swans mate for life is because they take their time to find the right bird for them. They have an elaborate courtship ritual that helps them to ensure that they're recompatible with each other before they actually mate. And once they've found their one and only, they'll stay together for life. So, the next time you see a pair of swans swimming around, just remember that they're not just any pair of swans. They're the Romeo and Juliet of the bird world. Now you're welcome. Now stay tuned for more fun facts about animals. And remember, keep on thinking.